Fuentes and Ervito. Hindi sila sudah berjumpa ng punto. Dia senior player Ervito. And the first layup. Ervito. Tadi si Silva Saisen. Bounce pass. And SK Chairman Silva won the nice pass to Fuentes. Ang CJ. Pass to Silva. And Black on Silva Water. And Herpito. Darpaza. And Black on Ado Water. Sasalagsakan and Black on Lasso. Jumpers repair. And another boost. Coast to coast, one nice pass. Later center by Donato Naguan Herberto. The big man, the side set layup is satu kapulot. Main event of the day. And also, and Chico. Official score 15-17.